Before we understand how Ceasefire has achieved the compliance requirements, let's learn about EN 16282-7 standard. EN 16282-7 is a European standard that lays forth the technical safety, ergonomic, and hygienic standards for the design, manufacture, and use of kitchen ventilation hoods. The ventilation systems in commercial kitchens, related spaces, and other facilities processing meals meant for commercial use must comply with this European standard. Kitchens and associated areas are special rooms in which meals are prepared, where tableware and equipment is washed, cleaned, food is stored, and food waste areas. A process for verification of each requirement is also well defined. By establishing uniform rules for performance testing, servicing and maintenance, and danger classifications such as fire, the new technical standard assists in bringing uniformity in regulations across the industry. The standard helps to better protect people, property, and businesses by bringing the restaurant industry closer to more effective commercial kitchen fire prevention. Now, let us understand how we have addressed the requirement for EN 16282-7 standard. Performance test by top-notch global quality agencies with world-class testing procedures. The Ceasefire commercial kitchen suppression systems have been rigorously tested by world's best quality agencies on highest performance and safety standards. As a result, Ceasefire's water mist and wet chemical commercial kitchen fire suppression systems are LPCB certified to LPS 1223, and our mechanical and electrical detection kitchen suppression system is UL 300 certified. These tests are conducted following the most stringent testing method, where these systems are tested on a wide variety of kitchen appliances, hoods, and ducts. The tests take into consideration not just the fire extinguishing part of our systems but also the part of detection equally. These tests are carried out after fixed interval post-activation of detectors, mimicking real-life situations. Installation by trained and certified service technicians. At Ceasefire, every kitchen suppression system is installed by a Ceasefire-trained engineer or technician. Each such engineer or technician is provided with a Ceasefire ID card with a unique ID number, the records of which are hosted on a Ceasefire portal. This acts as a formal identity tool that helps in authentication of the identity of these personnel, whenever needed. Takes all fire scenarios into account that all kitchen appliances pose. Most grease-producing appliance types and extraction ductwork are tested by Ceasefire kitchen fire suppression systems. These systems are also tested for fryers with defined fire load and surface area. The Ceasefire kitchen fire suppression systems can protect any type of kitchen appliance that may be utilizing any fuel type, within the defined limitations. To accommodate all sorts of kitchen appliances, hoods, and ducts, Ceasefire conducts rigorous tests as defined by LPS 1223, which also include testing the detection system in addition to the extinguishment. Following the activation of detectors that simulate real-world conditions, a test is conducted after a predetermined interval. All appliances present under the kitchen hood are protected uniformly. Ceasefire kitchen fire suppression systems are tested to ensure that all appliances that are listed as hazard and are present under the kitchen hood are protected from fire equally. Clear labels displaying compliance with the standard. The Ceasefire kitchen fire suppression systems wear standard certification labels and do's and don'ts stickers, making it simple for anyone to use the system and visually identify compliance to EN 16282-7 standard. Adherence to all applicable national rules and regulations. Every Ceasefire metallic component complies with EN 10088-1 and is made of SS 304 or 316. The extinguishing agent itself functions as a cleaner and degreaser. The extinguishing agent for Ceasefire is environmentally benign and biodegradable. Additional crucial factors. The Ceasefire kitchen suppression systems come with a highly reliable detection module that is ideally suited for the food services sector. Every system site is provided with a logbook and product manual enabling ease of use and maintenance of the systems. Ceasefire systems can accommodate more than one manual release at different escape routes. A highly advanced response panel takes the intelligence quotient of our systems to the next level, including integration with third-party devices.